POV, it is 7:12 in the morning. Your phone lights up on the kitchen counter.
The car repair estimate is $1,000. Not 10,000, not bankruptcy, just one ordinary Tuesday emergency. And somehow, your stomach drops like someone just audited your entire life. Here's what nobody tells you. A $1,000 emergency is not really a bill. It is a wealth level test.
Bankrate's 2026 Emergency Savings Report found one cold number, 47%.
That is the share of Americans who say they have enough liquidity or access to funds for a $1,000 emergency. At level 1, basic economy, the emergency becomes a chain reaction. You swipe the card, then the interest starts breathing down your neck.
The repair is fixed, but the balance follows you into next month, then the month after that.
The real cost is not $1,000. The real cost is losing control of your next decision. At level 2, comfort zone, the same bill feels different. You still hate paying it. Nobody celebrates a repair bill. But you transfer money from a boring savings account, and life keeps moving. No panic, no family group chat, no expensive loan. That boring account is not lazy money. It is emotional insulation. The Federal Reserve tracks adults who have 3 months of emergency savings for a reason. 3 months is not magic.
It is a firewall. It separates inconvenience from crisis. It buys time to negotiate, compare options, breathe, and avoid selling investments at the worst possible moment.
If you are starting from zero, do not perform success for people who will not pay your bills. Open a separate savings account. Name it the emergency firewall. Automate a transfer before lifestyle gets a vote.
$50 a week becomes $2,600 in a year, before any interest, before any motivation, before any perfect moment.
This is the quiet difference between people who look rich and people who become rich. Looking rich needs payments. Becoming rich needs buffers. Start with $500, then $1,000, then 1 month, then 3. Wealth does not begin when the world sees your lifestyle.
It begins when an emergency happens and your voice stays calm.
So ask yourself one cold question. If a $1,000 problem arrived today, would
it be an inconvenience? Or would it become your entire personality for the next 30 days?
Answer that honestly, then build the buffer. Subscribe to RichLife Scenarios because the next emergency will reveal your real wealth level.